Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. There is another problem for binomial expansion. We have to find out the two possible value of a, and there is a given option which is the coefficient of x squared is minus 15. So at first we have to find out the coefficient of x squared by using this quotient expression. There is a two factor 3 minus 2x. We don't 1 plus ax plus to the 1 plus ax to the power 2 by 3. It is our problem, and to expand it, right? So to expand it, we may use the binomial expansion rules, which is 1 plus nx plus n minus 1, etc. And for this binomial, here n equals to 2 over 3 and x equal plus ax. At first write the binomial expansion rules in your copy, which is 1 plus nx plus n times n minus 1, this expression. Then substitute the value of n and x. Okay, second line, substitute the value of n and x in your copy. So I am substituting up to x square. The x square is a limit because the coefficient of x square is given, it is x square. So x square is good enough up to x square, right? Now what is the result of this expression? It is 2 over 3x plus 2 over 3 minus 1. It is minus 1 over 9 a square ax square. And now we have to multiply with 3 minus 2x to get the full expression. There is a x square part, x square terms, so we will expand it up to x square. Three times 1 minus 9, that is the x square terms, and 2x times 2 over 3 ax, it is the x square terms, and 3 times 1 we do not need it, and 3 times 2x times 1 over 9 ax square x square, it would be x to the cube. We don't need it. And it is not necessary to show you expand all of this, multiply all of this. So 3 times minus 1 over 9 a square ax square, and who is on next is 2x times 3 over 2 ax, right? If we multiply with them, then we will get the x square terms. What is the calculative result? It is, I'm using the calculator, it is minus 1 over 3, and it is 4 over 3 a square a x square a square x square. And then what is the summation of this? If I common the x square terms, then this one is the expression. Now the coefficient of x square is minus 15. It is given. LCM 3 minus a square minus 4a equal minus 15. Now what is the result 345. So a square, if I change the sign, then a square plus 4a minus 45. Factorize it. 4 5 9s are 45. 9 minus 4, that is 4a. Let's common. I hope you know how to factorize the quadratic equation. And 5 common, a plus 9. It looks good. So a plus 9 and a minus 5. Your answer is a equal minus 9 and 5. That is the answer. See you next class.